Following his arrest, Pastor Apollo Kibuloy will now face charges of child abuse, sexual abuse, and qualified human trafficking in the courts of the Philippines. The child and sexual abuse cases against Kibuloy are at the Quezon City Regional Trial Court after being transferred from Davao City RTC last May. The qualified human trafficking case against Kibuloy, which is non-bailable, meanwhile, is at the Pasig RTC. This case has served as the basis for the preacher's arrest. This afternoon, the issues regarding his arrest warrant were returned to the aforementioned courts.
Ang aking maging instructions sa prosecution, prepare all the evidence so we can ask for continuous trial para matapos kagad yung kaso na kailangan litisin. And we would like the Supreme Court, pag nangyari yan, na huwag pumayag na magkaroon ng dilatory tactics.
Remulla added that Kibuloy should first face the charges filed against him here in the Philippines before he is extradited or taken to America for the trial of his cases there.
He should face the music here, especially na pinahirapan niya yung mga pulis na hanapin siya. And we expect the US to file an extradition request very soon since he's already in custody.
Kibuloy is also wanted in America for charges of conspiracy to engage in sex trafficking by force, fraud, and coercion, sex trafficking of children, and bulk cash smuggling. According to the U.S. federal grand jury, Kibuloy is involved in a labor trafficking scheme where members of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ were brought to America using fake visas. They were also allegedly forced to solicit donations for a fake charity. The donations received are allegedly going to the operation of the church and the luxurious lifestyle of the leaders of the KOJC. It is also alleged that women were recruited to serve the pastor and were forced to have sex with Kibuloy. In November 2021, the U.S. federal grand jury issued an arrest warrant for Kibuloy in defense of those claiming that Kibuloy is being politically persecuted. Here's what Secretary Remulla had to say.
Wala akong pakialam sa politika niyan. It's really a criminal case that we have to mind. Tandaan nyo ang kaso sa Amerika at kaso rito, halos pareho lang ang mga binitawan ng iba't ibang klaseng testigo. Hindi naman yan pare-pareho. Iba-ibang buhay niyan, pero isang reklamo nila, iisa.
Aside from the cases, the Anti-Money Laundering Council has issued a freeze order on Kibuloy's bank accounts and properties. This also includes the bank accounts and properties of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Freeze order has been extended until February 2025. For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.